Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Here's the thing, every time I go into a restaurant, well, usually I get soggy fries, and I got tired of it and wanted to make my own. So I think I found the secret to crispy fries, so let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, I'm going to get started here by grabbing up 4 taters. And these are russets, they seem to work about the best. And then I am simply going to give them a peel. And some people might be so inclined to say, why are you peeling these? That's where all the nutrients are. Well, you know, they look better, so I'm kind of doing it for presentation purposes. But it is entirely up to you. You be the boss. Next up, I'm going to grab up my handy French fry maker and put that potato on. This is actually a good way of doing it. I don't know where I got this. I think it was Amazon or something like that. But there is an alternative way, of course. Put the lid on and give it a press down. And just looky there, guys, you got instant French fried taters. Or, of course, you can get a good sharp knife, and I usually, cut these into about 4 sections. Then go ahead and cut them the opposite way, and you get about the same result, so it's entirely up to you. Now we shall get these carefully crafted taters into some good cold water. And just kind of rinse them around to get that surface starch off. And the thing about potatoes is if you don't get the surface starch off, they become very, very soggy. So we're going to take some time, have some fun, and give them a good bath. Then just lay them onto a baking sheet lined with a paper towel. So what I'm going to do here is grab up another paper towel and just give it a pat dry just to get all that water off of there. Of course, you can use a cloth too if you like. And what I usually do to check the firmness of my potatoes is give them a little snap, and if they snap well, you know you're on your way to a crispy fry. Alrighty then, what we're going to do now is put these into oil at about 350 degrees and give them a quick blanch fry, and I'd say about 3 minutes or so. And see all those wonderful bubbles going on? That's actually water coming off the fries, and that's what you want, is to get rid of that water. Now, like I say, you don't want these browned at all. You just want to have a bit of a blanch on there. So, yeah, as I said before, about 3 minutes. Okay, this is about what we want, so I'm just going to pull them out and put them in my spider. By the way, this spider tool is about the handiest thing I've ever bought. And we shall just place our pre-fried fries on a wire rack to drain off any of that oil. Once again, give them a little pat dry with a paper towel or a towel, just to make sure that oil is completely off of there. Now, something I do find, guys, to assist with that crispiness is give them a little dusting of cornstarch. Believe it or not, this does help. And just kind of use your hands and flick them around to make sure that cornstarch covers everything. And after this, we're going to put the fries in the freezer for about half an hour, just until they kind of firm up. I suppose you could also bag them up and leave them in the freezer for the second fry anytime you want. Alrighty then, time for the second fry, so back into the oil at about 350-375 degrees. And we're just going to fry these up, moving them around occasionally until they become a beautiful golden brown. Something like this, my friends, now that's what we're talking about. And of course, back onto the wire rack, our crispy golden fries go. And as I put them on the rack, I could kind of hear that clunk, and that's what you want because that indicates they are indeedy crispy. Of course, I'm going to pick these up and put them into my fancy dancy basket, easy country cooking style. Of course, you got to season these up with a bit of salt. And you know what? I'm even going to put a little bit of garlic salt on there. They don't call me Crazy Dave for nothing. And I am even thinking a little dusting of Parmesan won't hurt. And for the grand finale, a few freshly chopped up parsley flakes to make them all pretty like. And there they be, guys, our super crispy French fries, easy country cooking style. Oh, these are so good. And you bite into these, they are indeed crispy, crunchy, and absolutely spectacular. Definitely a must make, my friends. So if you're so inclined, give us a like, it does help us out, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.